Hi things. Our topic today is taking connectors, okay? Pay attention, we're going to start. Okay things, we start with but. But significa pero. For example, she was ill, but she went to work. Ella estaba enferma, pero fue a trabajar. He likes painting, but he doesn't like drawing. A él le gusta pintar, pero no le gusta dibujar. Although, though, and even though. Although, though y even though, más el sujeto más el verbo. Todas significan aunque. Pero even though es más enfático. Pueden ir al principio de la oración o en medio. Primero vamos a chequear esta información. Si va al inicio, al principio, pondremos una coma entre la oración introducida por although, though o even though y la siguiente. We have here an example. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. Aunque llovía, fuimos a dar un paseo. We have here another example. Though I'm a big fan of Oasis, I have never seen them live. Aunque soy un gran fan de Oasis, nunca los he visto en directo. Even though it was raining, we went for a walk. Aunque llovía, fuimos a dar un paseo. Number 2. Si va en medio de la oración, no pondremos coma. For example, we decided to buy the car, although it was very expensive. Decidimos comprar el carro, aunque era muy caro. I like making films, though I'm really an actor. Me gusta hacer películas, aunque en realidad soy un actor. You keep talking even though I've told you to be quiet. Sigues hablando aunque te he dicho que te calles. We continue. Okay, now we have however and nevertheless. However or nevertheless. Ambos significan sin embargo. Aunque nevertheless es más formal. Va al principio de la frase y seguido de una coma. We have here some examples. I've been running for an hour. However, I'm not tired. Llevo 2 horas corriendo, sin embargo, no estoy cansado. She was really sad. Nevertheless, she held back tears. Ella estaba muy triste. Sin embargo, contuvo las lágrimas. Now we continue with in spite of or despite. In spite of or despite, más el nombre, pronombre o verbo acabado en ing significan a pesar de. We have here some examples. In spite of the rain, we went for a walk. A pesar de la lluvia, fuimos a dar un paseo. Despite the rain, we went for a walk. A pesar de la lluvia, fuimos a dar un paseo. In spite of her good marks, she's worried about her final exam. A pesar de sus buenas notas, ella está preocupada por su examen final. Despite her good marks, she's worried about her final exam. A pesar de sus buenas notas, ella está preocupada por su examen final. In spite of being ill, he went to work. A pesar de estar enfermo, él fue a trabajar. Despite being ill, he went to work. A pesar de estar enfermo, fue a trabajar. Okay, thanks. Now we are going to fill in the blanks with a suitable contrast connector. But, although, however, despite, or in spite of. Chicos, ahora vamos a completar en los espacios en blanco con el conector correcto, ya sea but, although, however, despite, or in spite of. First, we are going to check the information we have here. Primero vamos a revisar la información que tenemos aquí. Number 1. Andrew was warned of the risks. He decided to travel alone to South America. Andrew estaba advertido de los riesgos. Él decidió viajar solo a América del Sur. Number 2. Maria did not get a promotion. Her qualifications. María no obtuvo un ascenso. Sus calificaciones. The city has a 50 km per hour limit. People are often caught speeding. La ciudad tiene límite de 50 km por hora. La gente es usualmente atrapada acelerando. Number 4. You won't be forgiven. You'll apologize. No serás perdonado. Tus disculpas. We couldn't find a house to buy. We looked at quite a few. No pudimos encontrar una casa para comprar. Nosotros buscamos bastantes. He always looks so lonely and sad. His popularity. Él siempre luce muy solo y triste. Su popularidad. Okay, thanks, we have the answer. Number 1. Although Andrew was warned of the risks, he decided to travel alone to South America. Number 2. Maria did not get a promotion. In spite of or despite her qualifications. Number 3. The city has a 50 km per hour limit. However, people are often caught speeding. Number 4. You won't be forgiven despite or in spite of your apologize. Number 5. We couldn't find a house to buy, although we looked at quite a few. And number 6. He always looks so lonely and sad. In spite of or despite his popularity. Okay, we continue. Okay, things. Now we have to rewrite these sentences. Tenemos que volver a escribir estas oraciones. Number 1. I couldn't sleep although I was tired. No pude dormir aunque estaba cansado. And now we have to use despite. I couldn't sleep despite being tired. No pude dormir a pesar de estar cansado. Number 2. Although he has got an English name, he's in fact German. Aunque él obtuvo un nombre inglés, él es de hecho alemán. And we have to use despite. Despite having an English name or despite his English name, he's in fact German. A pesar de tener un nombre inglés, él es de hecho alemán. Number 3. In spite of her injured foot, she managed to walk to the village. A pesar de su pie herido, ella logró caminar hasta el pueblo. And now we have to use although. Although she has injured her foot, or although her foot was injured, she managed to walk to the village. Aunque ella tenía su pie herido, logró caminar hasta el pueblo. Number 4. I decided to accept the job although the salary was low. Decidí aceptar el empleo aunque el salario estaba bajo. And now we have to use in spite of. I decided to accept the job in spite of the low salary, or in spite of the salary being low. Decidí aceptar el trabajo a pesar de que el salario era poco. Number 5. We lost the match although we were the better team. Nosotros perdimos el juego aunque estábamos en el mejor equipo. And we have to use despite. We lost the match despite being the better team, or despite the fact that we were the better team. Nosotros perdimos el juego a pesar de estar en el mejor equipo. We continue. Things. We continue with number 6. In spite of not having eaten for 24 hours, I didn't feel hungry. A pesar de no haber comido por 24 horas, no me sentí hambriento. And we have to use even though. Even though I hadn't eaten for 24 hours, I didn't feel hungry. Aunque no había comido por 24 horas, no me sentí hambriento. Number 7. Although she was tired, she went to work. Aunque ella estaba cansada, fue a trabajar. And we have to use but. She was tired, but she went to work. Ella estaba cansada, pero fue a trabajar. Number 8. They went out for a walk, even though the weather was bad. Ellos fueron a dar un paseo, aunque el clima estaba malo. Now we have to use despite. They went out for a walk, despite the bad weather. Ellos fueron a dar un paseo a pesar del mal clima. Number 9. She managed to write in spite of her injured hand. Ella logró escribir a pesar de su mano herida. And now we have to use although. She managed to write although her hand was injured. Ella logró escribir aunque su mano estaba herida. And number 10. She has plenty of money, but she's very mean. Ella tiene mucho dinero, pero es muy mala. And now we have to use although. Although she has plenty of money, she's very mean. Aunque ella tiene mucho dinero, es muy mala. Okay, my teens, we have finished. Teens, it's time to practice. Es tiempo de practicar. Good luck!